What up, guys? So today I'm unboxing this high spoiler from Extreme online store. Shout out to them. Check out the website below. Everything's going to be posted in the description. But today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and installation tutorial before I give this out to one of my viewers. If you don't know about the giveaway, go to my previous video or go to my Instagram to watch how to enter the giveaway for this spoiler. One piece right here, another piece right here. Oh yeah, glossy black. So before I show you how to install this, I do very recommend a professional installing it for you, because they will be drilling into your trunk and not a lot of you are comfortable drilling through sheets of metal. Okay, not even myself. So recommend getting it done by a professional. But other than that, I'm going to show you how to assemble the wing together and then the basics of putting the wing onto the car. But you want to go online and you're going to want to find a template of where to drill holes for the STi wing, right? You can be on any website, even on Google, or you can go ahead and make it yourself so that when you line it up, it's going to be perfect. So first things first, we're going to get this without any end. Insert it here. Okay, and all three is glossy black. So now I get these three on. I'm gonna go ahead, find the right pairing. Okay, I'm gonna grab this piece, find the right tool that you can fit in. Three. Nice. Okay, now we're gonna take the other one, do the same exact thing, get this empty piece, do the same exact thing. Oh, there it is. We're gonna do it like normally and put it vertical, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So, when you do this, do it right. Put it upwards unless your shit is magnetic. If it is, lucky you, living that good life. Now you're gonna grab this piece right here. It's gonna go over. For these, you will be using the regular screws. Huge thing about this, guys, is that you don't want to force or over tighten it, because you will cross thread it. It is plastic and it is not meant to take that much torque. So be careful. You want to do just enough so that it's tight, but you don't want to overdo it and then cross thread it. Okay, just till it's tight. Good. Now we got the wing. Alright, after you find it, you find the right area it's supposed to be in. Now you're going to take your regular focus. Yep, you can take one of these, put it right in the hole right here. It's going to be hard to show you. I don't have an extra cameraman, unfortunately. Everything I do is by myself and on my damn iPhone. It's on there. I'm gonna throw this cap on to make it seamless. I'm gonna take this one. Screw it down right here. got it on the other side here. Yep, there it is. Looking nice and beautiful. So, we're not outside. I'm gonna show you what it looks like on my car. Oops. So, as you know, I am doing a giveaway, and that means I cannot drill this onto my car because I'm gonna give it away. Why would I put holes in my trunk? All right. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here, right? Online to find that template, you're gonna have something similar. It's gonna look like this. It's gonna basically tell you where to drill your holes. But again, I do recommend getting it done by a professional. So yeah, I'm not gonna drill it into my trunk because I am giving this away, and I will give you the basics on how to get it set up. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pop your trunk, take out this liner right here, push pins, push pins, push pins. Once you get your templates, get it on top right here. You're gonna drill, make a small hole first. Get a 1/4 inch, I think, the next size of the bolts they give you in the package, and then you're gonna push it through there. But make sure you grab some type of towel right here, so you don't drill all the way through your trunk, then hit this area right here. That'll be bad. Okay. Also, when you get a hole, I saw a tip was that once you get the hole through here, you can just drill straight from the other side, so you don't have to worry about hitting anything else. Okay, once you got all that set up, you're gonna screw it in here, here, and here. Pop these back on, and then make sure everything's all tight and secure. You want to put some weather strips so that water doesn't come in. I would highly recommend doing so. Anything of that sort, making sure that's all around the spoiler. And then there you have it. I will be trying to ship that out in one full piece so you don't have to go through the struggle that I did to put it on. Boom. And it should not, if you're worried about hitting your mirror, it won't. I've seen a lot of people, I've tried it, I've been curious myself, but it won't hit it at all. You guys made it this far, thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to follow the build. See you next time.